Klover and MoneyLion Instacash both provide access to money before payday. But the amount you can access depends on your eligibility, account information, and each app's requirements. By the end, you'll know how Klover and MoneyLion Instacash compare for advance limits, approval process, fees, and which app may give you a better option. The main difference is that Klover focuses on paycheck advances and financial tools, while MoneyLion Instacash offers cash access as part of a larger financial platform. First, compare how advance limits work. Klover reviews your connected financial information to determine whether you qualify and what options are available. Your available amount depends on factors such as your account activity and the information connected to the app. MoneyLion Instacash also reviews your account information before showing available cash access options. The amount you can access depends on your eligibility and what MoneyLion determines from your financial details. Because both apps personalize offers, there is no single limit that applies to every user. Two people using the same app may see different available amounts. Next, compare the overall experience. Klover is focused on helping users access money before payday, while also offering financial features inside the app. Users looking for a dedicated cash advance experience may prefer this approach. MoneyLion Instacash is part of the MoneyLion platform, which includes other financial products and tools. Users who want multiple financial services in one place may prefer having everything connected through one app. Fees also matter when comparing available limits. A higher available amount does not always mean it is the better choice if the cost of accessing the money is higher. Check the exact fee and repayment details before accepting an advance. The best way to compare Klover and MoneyLion Instacash is to check the offers available inside both apps. Your account information determines the limits, costs, and options you see. If you need the highest possible advance, compare your personal offers instead of relying only on general limits. The app that gives one user a larger amount may not give another user the same result. To summarize, Klover and MoneyLion Instacash both offer early access to money, but your available limit depends on eligibility and account details. Klover focuses on advances, while MoneyLion combines Instacash with a broader financial platform. Open both apps, compare your available amounts and fees, and choose the option that fits your situation. Subscribe for more clear comparisons of money apps and financial tools.